Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Pandayanasari. My name is Aminur Zafira binti Suraidi from BES12. So today I'm gonna explain about points application. So firstly, it's about the integer add, integer x, integer y. So integer add equals x plus y, written to add. So void swap is where we swap the value of x to y. So here we can see that x equal to y. So when the integer of x will equal to temporary, so y also become temporary. So meanings, so x, the value of x equal to the value of y. So for the next one is the integer decrement. So integer decrement, whether it was swapped or before. So here, when integer decrement, y equal to y minus 1. So for the increment, when the value of x is x plus 1. Okay, so the integer mean is integer number 1, number 2, temporary, temporary 2, integer result 1, integer results 2. So here, the input will show enter two numbers separated by space n. So we can see from the output here, enter two numbers separated by space. So I enter the numbers, for example, 12 and 23. So the output will scan this number, and the printf numbers, number 1 is, so the number of the value I have put, that is 12, that is 12 on 23. So the temporary number 1, temporary number 2, temporary number 1, add number 1, add number 2. So for the next one is to see the total number. So 12 plus 23 is equal to 35. So you can see here. So it will show 2 because we have said from the earlier the integer swap. For the integer swap, before the swap, the number 1 of x is equal to 12, the number y is equal to 23. After the swap, the number 1 will become to 23, number 2 will become 12. Okay, so for the value of before increment, it was said that before the increment, y, x minus x, y minus 1 for the after decrement. So x plus 1. So after increment, it will become 13. Before increment is y minus 1, so equal to 12. After the decrement, the value is 12. Yeah. Meanwhile, for the value of number 1 after decrement is 11. So this is only for level 1, for number 1 after the swap. So that is I can then understand. So back to the integer mean. So we can see there is swap 1, number 1. So all of this shown to the number value of the number 1. Swap number 1 to number 2, printf the value of number 1, number 2 after swap. Number 1, the printf, the input will show the numbers of the swap. So it's the same as the others. So for the last one, it will show the decrement. The above shows the after swap, the before increment. The after that is before and after decrement. So that's just for me. Thank you very much for listening. Sorry for the stuttering. See you next time. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Pandayanasari. My name is Aminur Zafira binti Suraidi.